Hey everybody, welcome to another video on HayDay. So now I just wanted to quickly go through a technique that I use to check the mystery box from the mailbox there. So what you do is I've basically logged out of switched the out and put it into airplane mode. Go back into the game and just choose any one of the boxes. Wait for the mailman to deliver, and just see what he gets. And if you don't like it, quit the game. So force it to quit, and then go back in and choose something else. So there was one bolt that came through. So I like that. So what I'll do is I'll quit the game. So just swipe up. This is in iOS 11. And turn off airplane mode. Go back into the game and choose the box that you want. So I wanted the bolts, so I'll choose the 30 ticket one this time. So go back down here and select 30. Okay, so this time I didn't turn off airplane mode, so it will force that purchase to be made, whereas when you're in airplane mode it won't. So that's the main difference. Now the only problem is this guy's a bit slow, so it does take a while to do sometimes. Yeah, he's nearly there. And there's your 4 bolts. Another trick you can do is you can leave the box there. If you don't have much space, you can leave it there and pick it up when you're actually going to use it. So I just disabled airplane mode again and show you what I'm doing. So we'll do that again. Just choose any one of the mystery boxes. So you can only do this in iOS, and you can't do it in Android, unfortunately. So airplane mode is on. He's just about to drop. Okay, and it is shovels. So I'll just exit, force quit the game, turn off airplane mode, go back into the game, and you'll see I have still got my tickets. I haven't used them. Okay, so that's the end of the video. Please leave a like or a comment, and I'll talk to you guys soon. Thanks.